Hi guys, Dan Cooper here from Pro Tools Expert. In a previous video, I showed you how you could mix a lead vocal with two compressor plugins, those being Waves CLA2A and 76. In this video, I'm going to show you an alternative way to dual compress your vocals using this Waves MV2, a plugin that I use all the time. Every single video I produce, including this one, I use this, the MV2, to rein in the dynamics of my spoken voice. But don't for 1 second think that this is a one-trick pony, only suitable for processing dialogue. Oh no, MV2 is also very good at lead vocals in a mix. It's also very simple, as you can see, 3 controls. High level here, that performs how you'd expect a standard compressor to work when signal passes the threshold. Attack and release times are set and sort of taken care of behind the scenes. But what makes this control very useful is that it automatically compensates the level differences. It's very nice indeed. Low level next to that is the opposite. So signal below the threshold is compressed upwards, which adds a bit more gain to the low level audio. And of course, we've got output on the right here for a little bit more extra balance control. So enough talk from me. Let's put this thing to work. The lead vocal in this has quite a wide dynamic range. Let's use MV2 to rein that in a little bit.
Come back home, baby, try my love one more time. Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time.
Okay, the entry into that, very powerful. The second line, as he's singing lower in his register, the dynamic sort of drops away a little bit. So let's see if we can apply some upwards compression first, and then we'll apply some normal compression after that.
Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time. Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time.
Yeah, that's definitely doing it. It's bringing up that lower level second line. Let's see if we can attenuate that first half of that performance.
Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time. Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time.
Much better. We are clipping the plugin a little bit, so we'll bring the output down, do a little level match, and we'll compare before and after.
Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time. Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time.
And before.
Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time. Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time.
Not bad at all. For more information on the MV2 plugin by Waves, do check out the Waves website. Hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.